Hi everyone, Windows 10 includes a search feature to help you find files and folders on your device. It's been a feature limited to search only your documents, pictures, videos, and desktop by default. Starting with Windows 10 version 1903, Microsoft is making changes to the search indexing with a new enhanced mode that users can select to search across all folders and drives, instead of limiting the search to the default libraries. In this video, you'll learn the steps to enable search in enhanced mode on Windows 10. Use these steps. First, open Settings and click the search. Next, click the searching windows. Under Find My Files, select the enhanced option. Once you've completed the steps, the system will start a one-time indexing process that will enable you to use search to find files in all your folders and drives. If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.